Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the Wolf. And today I'm recording this video from a 5-star restaurant. I hope you can see behind me right there. Wait, I'll show you. Look at this. Okay, so the main point behind it is that motivation. You guys take it as motivation too, and for myself also. Okay, so first of all, talking about the crypto prices right now, and I closed my Matic trade with some profits, and our crude oil trade is right now like bursting in profits right now, so we'll discuss that also. And well, Shiba Inu is right now going perfectly well according to my setup, and if that happens, we'll enter in a new trade on Shiba Inu too. So let's get into the charts. The Bitcoin daily time frame chart right there, and in my last video I explained you everything that why this dump occurred in the market. And well, I am expecting that there has to be a good correction to the downside. This does not mean that I'm 100% sure or you guys enter right now. No, this is not the right time to enter. As I said, I will enter somewhat near this zone right here if I see any reversal, or if the price of Bitcoin breaks this zone to the upside, or I will wait for the price to dump all the way down till, I would say, approx 37.8, or all the way down till $33,000, this important horizontal line. So right now it is going sideways only, not much to show right now. We'll just wait right here. It is going sideways and consolidating, and not any trade update right there on Bitcoin or any other. I did not find any news related to any of the events happening in the last few hours for the crypto market. So this is my Matic trade, or I would say this was my Matic trade right here, and I informed my on my Twitter that I closed this Matic trade somewhat over here, because I thought that the price of Matic will go all the way up till here to this resistance zone, this green resistance zone again, and maybe it can then show a reversal to the downside or can be a breakout. So it's important that I booked my profits here only. So I'm 100% out of Matic right now. I've booked around $1,500 profit right there. And what's the main thing I'm expecting is, I mean, if the price continues to dump, obviously I'll feel regret that I closed all my positions too early, but it's okay. I mean, no one knows the future. I did what I found that it will be suitable at that moment. So I'll wait for the price of Matic to come near this zone again right here, and if it shows a reversal, then I will definitely go short again. Or so if the price of Matic breaks this green zone right here to the upside with a perfect retest or with a high volume candle, then I will definitely go long too. So this is it for my Matic trade. Right now I am deleting this trade tool right here, and I will inform you guys if in future if I enter in a long or short on Matic again. The chart that you just saw in the thumbnail is of Shiba Inu, and what I am expecting from Shiba Inu is that, see, this is a very important support zone right here, and the price of Shiba Inu did a very good support, and then the initial target was this important zone, and then it perfectly came here as well. Well, now what? So if we look closely, we can clearly see, first of all, this white trend line right here, this white trend line, very important. Here touch point, and here also a touch point. So what happened is the price did a breakout of this, and now it did a perfect retest of this white trend line, also sustaining above my resistance zone. This indicates that there are buyers in the market right now, and I would say for a couple of weeks or months they are not interested in the price of Shiba Inu falling, and I can see the price from here going to the upside, but I will only enter if the price breaks this zone, or to be clear, I would say this high. As you can see, perfect right here is a very important resistance from 0.0 010348 all the way down till 0.009. Very important resistance right here. So if the price of Shiba Inu breaks this to the upside again with a perfect retest or with a high volume candle, then I will enter, and my target will be this next resistance zone for Shiba Inu from 0.012 to 0.0135. so let's see what happens. I'll still not enter here. If I wanted, I would have entered after this candle right here. At this candle, this one, I would have entered, but I'm still waiting because I mainly follow my levels first and then trend line. Trend line gave a perfect confirmation and a indication that the price can pump, but I'm still waiting for my levels to give the same. Coming on the weekly chart of Shiba Inu, you can clearly see how this green weekly candle closed in this zone, and then this one recent weekly candle came all the way down, did a support of this white trend line, and then again back up. So right now I'm expecting a bullishness in Shiba Inu, but obviously I'll wait for my setup to perfectly go as I'm thinking, and then I will enter here for sure. So at the end, I just want to show you my US crude oil trade right there. So I'm on the 4-hour time frame chart on crude oil, and we entered over here. I informed you on my Twitter as well, also made a video, a short video also. I'll pin it in the comments that I'm entering over here and what will be my target, profit, stop loss, everything, every level I informed you in my short video. So do watch it. I mean, you missed the move if you did not watch it, but at least you can learn something from that too. So we entered over here, and if I measure, then we took this move right here. In just one day we captured this whole move right here, and right now the price is going sideways because there is a minor resistance right there, but I am expecting for the price to come all the way up till this purple resistance box. I will not close any of my crude oil positions till then. I will try to maximize my profits by trailing them, but I mean, it's a swing trade, so if I'm sleeping and the price comes all the way up to my target, then it will be a very risky for me. So I will put my target profit in my trading system, but if I'm lucky, I will for sure trail my trade too. Guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand it. Perfect trade right now in crude oil, and Matic also we booked some profits, and let's see if I find any other opportunity on Matic as well. And yes, right now Shiba Inu is also going perfectly in my setup, and maybe we can see a trade there in future too. Right now nothing for Bitcoin and Ethereum because they are just sideways and not a perfect time to enter. Definitely I'll not enter in FOMO right now. Okay, so if you want to trade crypto, then you can do that on Bybit. You can create an account for free and can get up to $30,000 gift. Link is in the description and in the comments. Do create an account. I also use Bybit personally, and for the crude oil trading I will definitely share my trade update on how much I'm making live with you guys, because I trade live with you guys. So I will definitely share it either in my post or in a short video next time. So I'm trading on XNES. The link is also in the comment box. You can get up to $1,000 for free by create an account. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and do notice this 5-star restaurant behind me as a motivation of yours, because if I am here, you can also be here, and I am doing my best in my life and scoping for more success in the future. See you guys next time.